Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jason, student ID 113205665. I'm from Tutorial 8 and I'm going to be the narrator for our group assignment. Our group assignment is for a video and its title is Managing a Legal Office. I will now introduce you to the rest of my group members.
Hi, my name is Lee Yvonne. My student ID is 1132700911 and today I will be acting as the lawyer of this law firm, Lee & Co. Let's come in.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne. My ID number is 1132701418. I'm the clerk in Lee & Co.
Hi, my name is Hao Chen Hong, student ID 1132700704. And in this video presentation, I'm acting as a champion in Lee & Co.
Hi, my name is Cheryl Ashwina Binti Mamazha. My ID number 1132701989 and I as regular client at Lee & Co.
And now, my fellow friends, we will take you on a journey to discover the importance of time management, file management, and managing a legal office. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the demonstrations and skit that we have prepared for you pertaining to these three things.
Come in.
Morning, Miss Lee.
What time is it now?
Sorry, Miss Lee. Traffic jam just now. And plus heavy rain, the traffic is even worse than usual.
Do you think that's a valid excuse to be late? Is that the excuse you're going to use in court too?
Sorry, Miss Lee.
Please be punctual next time.
Okay, I won't do it next time.
Cheng-Hong, have you
Hi,
submitted the
Miss
written
Lee.
submission I asked you to do so from last week?
I'm doing actually, but I thought tomorrow only is the deadline.
Please improve on your time management. Don't always just have to do at the last minute, okay? And please do not be distracted by your social medias and online.
Okay, I'll do it as soon as possible.
Okay, improve
you,
on your
Miss
time
Lee.
management.
Thank you.
And that, my fellow future lawyers, is why we need to have good time management skills to manage our time and make sure our bosses are not angry with us so we can finish all our work. And now, we move on to another equally important aspect, which is file management.
Come in. Okay. Okay, Sherry, long time no see. Okay, come have a seat.
Miss Lee, can you help me to prepare the file? I want to buy a house again.
Okay, you want to buy a house again, no problem. So you already bring all the documents, right?
Yeah.
Anything I'll further inform you?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Then I will go out first.
Okay, bye.
thank you.
See you later. Cheyenne, can you please come in?
Yes, Miss Lee.
Just now, Miss Shirley want to buy a house. This is her documents. Can you help me open file like usual?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Should I bring along Chen Hong to learn?
Yes.
Okay.
File management, a tedious yet important task of a lawyer, and of course the legal clerks. But even though the legal clerks take care of what goes on in the file, it is important for the lawyers to know exactly what's going in the file too. So Chambi students, when you go out to work, we need to know how to manage a file and how to open and close a file also. Tedious as it may be, the lawyers use this to ensure that they know exactly what's going on in the case, to ensure that all documents from that particular case is within the file, and when they go to court, they know what's going on. All of it is put inside so they are updated about the case and they can later on update their clients about the case too. So we now move on to the final aspect of our video, which is managing and organizing a law firm. Oh, Xiaxuan, what are you doing?
Shock. As you can see, I'm organizing the files.
Why are you organizing the files?
Tiring, man. Long story. Okay, let me show you the techniques on organizing tons of files in the legal office. First step, you must have the ability to prioritize the files. You must prioritize which file is more urgent, which file is more important. And second step, you must have the ability to delegate the files. For example, our firm is dealing more on conveyancing matters. Therefore, I will delegate the files into different subject matters such as bills, probates, wills, land matters, and etc. Third step, you must have the ability to keep the working area and the file area tidy. This is crucial. It is because when the working area and the files keeping area is neat, you will be able to save time in finding the files. Talking about filing system, a legal office shall have a filing cabinet, meaning a referencing system. This is because it will be able to ease lawyers and other legal clerks in the legal office to return their file in the proper folders. Folders like what? It's not simple as what public thinks. In a legal office, we have folders such as correspondence, pleadings, documents, drafts, authorities, voucher, receipt, notes, minutes, and many other else. It is more than what you think, right? Bear in mind that a filing should be done chronologically, which in accordance with the date it was be sent and the date it was received. Documents in the legal office is basically divided into two types: external documents and internal documents. So for internal documents, such as minute sheets, not to file, telephone memo, and other memorandums, they must be recorded clearly, accurately, and precisely, so that everyone reading it will be able to understand easily. For external documents like letters, facsimiles, undertakings, and electronic mails shall be kept nicely as how the internal documents are kept. As for electronic mail, it is important to understand the implication of email because they are not confidential. They can be easily be copied, be altered, be forwarded, and is vulnerable to interceptions. Always keep a printed file copy and always keep it brief. Other than documents, we have files consisting of opinions. The contents of the opinions by the legal counsel are mainly on the short description of the client instruction and also the background of the facts of the clients and the summary of lawyer views and reasoning, analysis, and also the citation that the lawyers has jotted down. Next, diary. A diary is a personal document that every lawyer should have to remind themselves on the daily tasks. Remember to keep all the appointments and all the court engagement in the diaries. And also review the diary each day so you won't be taken by surprises. Look not only on the diary has in store for you for the following day, but also look what is scheduled for you for the following week and most probably the following months. Not to forget the KIV system. A KIV system is a very convenient tool for every legal office. It represents works in progress to be reviewed every month. And all the files in the legal office shall be entered into the KIV system and to be weighted accordingly to avoid those slipping files.
So Chen Hong, when we open a file, first we need to identify which type of file we need to open. For this, Ms. Lee asked us to open a conveyancing file from Sherry. So we need to write down the file reference in front of our files here, this column. Okay, and then in front of the brown file, there is the client names and correspondence of the clients. So after that, we will check when is the file opens. Inside the file, there is 3 color staples to differentiate the documents. First is the correspondence, documents, and the accounts. Okay, and then inside the file, there is another page is for the checklist for the commencing. Okay, then in front of the minutes, there is a minutes here. So okay, we will write down all the dates when we follow up with the client, the date conversation. So we will fill in at here so that when client asks us about the progress, then we're able to tell them. Okay? Then after the file, we done all the procedures and the client pay the bill. So we will proceed to close the file.
Close the file.
Then when we close the file, there is a guideline for file closing checklist.
File closure checklist.
At here. So we will follow this and then to close the file and return all the documents to the client. Okay. So basically this is the file management.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Chen. Thank you. I learned a lot.
Thank you.
Okay, sorry Miss Lee, I have to rush you because I have already told the vendor we have to submit the SPA by the next Monday.
Okay, no problem. I can get it done by next Monday for the SPA.
Okay. To the law student out there, we need to remember that a legal office is strict on the management, especially on the deadline, and they always learn to keep strict deadlines and they don't get into the habit of asking for extension of the time procrastinating. Please keep all the file private and confidential, even if my kids come here and want details from you, okay?
No problem. Everything stays here.
Okay, and here is the check for my payment. Okay, then you help me to pay lah.
Okay. So, to my friends over the screen, that it's very important to take note that confidentiality is the key issue in managing legal office. Under Legal Profession Act Rule 35, an advocate or solicitor cannot abuse the confidence being reposed in him by the clients. So, with the reference to Prince Jeffrey Bokia and KPMG case, it is also important to take note that a solicitor have absolute duty to protect the confidence to its clients or former clients and cannot later act as an opponent to his former or current clients. In managing legal office, it is also important to manage the accounts, where we will have the disbursements and the client's accounts. Together, the master file with accounts card, and also all the individual files must include the receipts, bills, and voucher, etc.
So there you have it, folks. The 3 important aspects in managing a legal office: file management, time management, and of course, the organization of the office itself. We hope you found this video a good and useful guide, and with that, we'll see you around in class.